Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever asked yourself why do some people have everything yet still feel empty? And why do others with very little smile with peace in their hearts? The world teaches us that happiness comes from money, success, fame, or possessions. But real happiness, true happiness, is much simpler than that. It is not something you change, it is something you create within yourself. Today, let's talk about the simple life lessons that can lead you to true happiness. Not temporary pleasure, not fake smiles, but deep inner peace. Most people spend their lives believing if I earn more money, I will be happy. If I become successful, I will finally feel complete. If people admire me, then my life will matter. But the truth is, there will always be someone richer, someone more successful, someone living a life that looks better online. And if happiness depends on comparison, you will never truly be happy. True happiness begins the moment you stop chasing more and start appreciating what already exists in your life. A peaceful morning, a healthy body, a loving family, a quiet heart. These simple things are priceless, yet we ignore them every day. Life is not made of big achievements alone. Life is made of small moments, a cup of tea in silence, rain falling outside your window, a conversation with someone you love, watching the sunset after a difficult day. The happiest people are not those who own the most. They are the ones who notice the beauty in ordinary moments. Slow down sometimes, put the phone away, take a deep breath, and just be present. Because happiness lives in the present moment, not in the past, not in the future. One of the biggest reasons people suffer is because they want everyone to approve of them. They want to be liked by everybody. But listen carefully. You can be the kindest person in the world and still be misunderstood. Do not build your happiness on other people's opinions because opinions change like the weather. Instead, be proud of your honesty, your growth, your effort, your character. When you stop needing constant approval, you become free, and freedom brings peace. There is the powerful truth in life. What you focus on grows. If you focus on problems, your life feels heavy. If you focus on blessings, your heart becomes lighter. Gratitude is not pretending life is perfect. It is recognizing that even during hard times, there is still something beautiful worth appreciating. Maybe today you are struggling. Maybe life feels unfair, but there is still hope, still breath in your lungs, still another chance to begin again. And sometimes that is enough. Not every argument deserves your energy. Not every relationship deserves access to your heart. As you grow older, you realize something important. Peace is more valuable than drama. Distance yourself from negativity, from fake people, from constant comparison. Protect your mind, protect your energy, and learn the power of silence. Sometimes silence heals more than words ever can. Real happiness is not laziness. It is not escaping responsibility. True happiness comes when your life has meaning, when you help others, when you grow, when you become a better human being than yesterday. A meaningful life creates a joyful heart. Even small acts of kindness matter. A smile, a kind word, helping someone in pain. These things give life purpose, and purpose gives life happiness. Life will never be perfect. Some days will hurt, some people will leave, some plans will fail, but every hardship teaches something valuable. Pain teaches strength, failure teaches wisdom, loss teaches gratitude. Do not fight every storm in your life. Some storms arrive to clear your path. Accept life, trust the journey. At the end of life, people rarely remember expensive things. They remember moments, love, laughter, peace, connection. So don't spend your whole life chasing happiness outside yourself because true happiness has always been within you in gratitude, in simplicity, in purpose, in peace, and maybe the happiest life is simply this: a calm mind, a healthy heart, and a soul free from unnecessary burdens. Thank you for watching. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs encouragement today.